Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about output parameter in SQL Server by practical, right? How to use in .NET application and output parameter along with SQL Server as well as, right? So in this video I have explained my agenda, right? So I have one project, right? It's a .NET project, right? In this .NET project, so I have checked here how to use output parameter, right? So just I run this application, okay, and after run this application, showing here username and password window, right? I am using here, for example, this user and password, right? So when I click on login button and this hit this method login _1_ authenticate, and when I press function F10, I have written some code here. I explain to you. So I have written here SQL command is cmd is equal to new cmd. I am passing here store procedure name, whatever store procedure I am using here, right? Second thing, I am using here command type, and I am using here cmd parameter. This is the parameter like input parameter. So now we are talking here output parameter. So output parameter, so we encode, we written here this code, right? For output parameter, whatever value you want to use as a output, so you have to written code like a output, right? Parameter direction dot output, and define the data type like integer, right? So in C# code you have to define like dot output in similar way, right? And cmd dot parameter and add paramout like cmd so open, and after that you have to get the value here, return value 0, whatever value query written, so value written here 0. Now we are going go to the SQL Server side. I hope you understand here. In C# we have to return look like code, right? One second, my mouse is go out. So look like, understand? Only we have to define output something like that here, right? In store procedure side I have written one store procedure name is that sp_login, right? Here I have defined username and password at value, return value, like I have defined here at output. We have to use here output keyword like that, right? So I have declared one value and I written one query here and calculate the count on the behalf of the condition, and return set the value inside the return, and return the value set. I set the value in ret value, return value, right? A return value set here like 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever value, and after that return this value here as a output parameter, right? I hope you understand what I am trying to saying, okay? And just now I am press here stop this application and try to run again, right? Now we will try. Last time you have seen here showing 0 value. Actually I was using wrong password and username, so showing here return the value 0 as the output, right? Now I am trying to correct value in login username and password box, right? So that time we will check what value showing in debugger point, right? So for example I am using here right value, so click on login and just try to debug code. Okay, directly I am using debugger here and click on continue. Right now I am trying to see here, showing here return value 1 because I am using username and password here, right? So username and password is right, that times it return 1 value, well, that means count 1. So here in this video I try to explain output, how to use output practically in along with .NET application and SQL Server. I hope you understand what I try to explain, right? If you have any doubt, any concern regarding for .NET application and other application like and I have already created many more video related to the Angular and .NET Core and also project. If you want to have query, so how to set a project, how to whatever you have query, you can ping me and then I am ready to help, right? Thank you so much watching this video. You have given your time. Thank you.